Hello there, welcome back to Ethiopia Microsoft Academy. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Zoom meeting application on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 laptop correctly. To download and install Zoom meeting application on your computer, simply open your web browser and search for zoom.us. From this page, click on download to open the Zoom download center. From this Zoom download center webpage, you can download Zoom application and or other related plugins and controllers depending on your need. But to download the Zoom application to your laptop, simply click on this download button. If your computer is 32-bit, click on this 32-bit processor option and download it. I wanna download Zoom application for my 64-bit operating system laptop, so click on this download button. After downloading finished, open the download folder. Right click on your Zoom application exe file and run it as an administrator. Now your Zoom app is installing. By the way, I have other tutorials about Zoom meeting you can find on the description below. After the installation finished, click on done. Now you can join Zoom meeting by using the meeting ID and passcode or the meeting link that is created by the person who hosts the meeting. Or you can sign in or create a new account that enables you to create a Zoom meeting or to become a host. I will put the video links that will teach you how you can create a Zoom meeting account to become a host. If you get this video useful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon below this video. And also don't forget to check the description below this video to get related important tips and tricks. Have a nice day.